Hi, I'm Emma Moyle from Ray White Real Estate, and I'm so excited to welcome you here today to 57 Tramway Road in the beautiful Beach Haven.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time.
It sits on a flat freehold site of 809 square metres, so there's plenty of opportunities to explore.
Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
What I love the most about this family home, there's enough room for the kids to run around in and the parents to enjoy such a wonderful and relaxing lifestyle. If you're looking for an executive family home, this is the one. You don't want to miss out. Make sure you come along to my open homes.